What is the value of resistance in terms of actual and uncertainty value? Whereas the value of voltage and current in terms of actual and uncertainty value is given in the question. So here we are going to calculate R plus R minus del R. Whereas R is representing the actual value and del R is representing the uncertainty value. It's known that the actual value can be calculated using a formula of R, which is nothing but V divided by I. Whereas the value of V is given as 200 plus or minus 4. 200 is the actual value. 4 is the uncertainty value. Similarly, I is given as 20 plus or minus 0.2. Here 20 is the actual value and 0.2 is the uncertainty value. So here for calculating the actual value, we will take only the actual values of V and I. So here it can be written as 200 divided by 20. So which will be equal to 10 ohm. So this is the actual value of resistance. So let us calculate the value of del R. It's known that when the R formula is in a division, so the del R will have a formula of del R divided by R is equal del V divided by V plus del I divided by. So here we can apply the values. Del R divided by the R value is calculated in the question 10 ohm. So 10 is equal. Del V is nothing but the uncertainty of voltage, which is given as 4, and V is the actual value. So we can write 200. Similarly, we can write for current 0.2 divided by 20. When we are simplifying, we will get del R divided by 10 is equal 6 over 200. So del R will be equal to 6 divided by 200 times 10. When we are simplifying this, we will get 0.30. So this is our uncertainty value. So the R will be written as 10, the actual value, plus or minus the uncertainty 0.3. So the correct answer for this question is option B here.